Roku has launched updated versions of its streaming players, the Streaming Stick and Streaming Stick Plus, emphasizing a smaller size, 35% smaller than competitors, and energy efficiency. These devices, direct replacements for the Express and Express 4K Plus, feature a more compact design that aims to avoid blocking other TV ports. A significant upgrade includes the addition of a voice remote, aligning it with Amazon's Fire Stick for easier content searching. Hardware: Roku introduced new software features, notably a Sports Zone for streamlined access to live sports across various streaming services. The company also faced questions regarding its advertising practices, following recent controversy over unavoidable full-screen ads and future plans for broader ad integration.